Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have a Codebase and Google account. Now create a Firebase project and enable authentication. Open the Firebase console, add your app, and copy config values into your environment. Once done, install the Firebase SDK with npm or add the cdn script tag. Initialize Firebase in your app entry point using the config object and call getAuth. This starts authentication services. Make sure to set allowed domains and OAuth redirect URIs to match your app. You will implement both UI and wiring. First, create a simple form for email/password and provider buttons for Google or Apple. Call sign in with email and password for credentials and sign in with pop-up or sign in with redirect for OAuth. Await promises and capture user and credential objects. Once you receive the ID token, exchange it with your backend or set a secure session cookie. Make sure to validate tokens server-side with Firebase Admin SDK to prevent spoofing and to keep session. You must finalize by protecting routes and handling session state. Use on auth state change to update UI and guard pages. Verify ID tokens on each protected API call. Once done, implement silent token refresh or re-authenticate for critical actions. If you run into errors, check console logs, ensure OAuth redirect URIs exactly match Firebase settings, and confirm API keys and project ID are correct. A key troubleshooting tip: if sign in with pop-up fails in embedded web views, use sign in with redirect or server-side OAuth as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.